Did you know that the average human has roughly 100,000 hairs on their head and they will lose around 50 to 100 hairs naturally per day?
Oh my God! Wow!
Although hair loss may vary from person to person, it is certain that we'll experience some amount of it as we get older. Now you may be wondering if there is a way to repair or prevent this from happening, and the answer is yes. Herbs of the Earth Restore is scientifically formulated to supply nutrients to the scalp, follicle, and hair shaft to prevent hair loss and breakage. Restore has 23 ingredients, and as an added benefit, it helps promote glowing skin and healthy nails due to the added herbs, vitamins, and minerals in the formula, some of which include biotin, silica bamboo, saw palmetto, grapeseed, haba, green tea leaf, and inositol, which have been shown to decrease hair loss and accelerate hair growth and thickness. Restore is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-approved NSF and CGMP certified manufacturing facility to ensure top quality and efficacy. Get Restore today and your hair will thank you.